Is Zillow leading you on a wild goose chase in your hunt for the perfect rental? Let's dive into why Zillow, despite its popularity, might not be the rental superhero you think it is. First up, the dreaded outdated listings. Imagine finding your dream apartment, getting excited, and then bam. Listing no longer available. Super frustrating, right? This is a common experience. Next, brace yourself for intense competition. Zillow puts everyone in the same digital room, leading to bidding wars and cutthroat applications, especially in competitive markets. And speaking of applications, let's talk about incomplete information. Listings sometimes lack crucial details, like pet policies, parking availability, or specific fees. This can lead to unpleasant surprises down the road. So, what's the solution? Don't rely solely on Zillow. Explore other rental platforms, check local real estate websites, and even consider working with a real estate agent who specializes in rentals. Diversifying your search will significantly increase your chances of landing that perfect rental pad. Good luck out there.